Little Willy Wagtail.
Let's see why they called it wagtail.
Yeah, little Willy Wagtail catching little sandflies, little insects.
Only them.
Very particular diet, these little birdies. They need soft insects, not hard ones. You wouldn't think there are so many creatures along the high tide mark, but he's finding tucker. Isn't he beautiful? Hello, Willy. Enjoying the sun. Amazing little birdies. Oh, beautiful. Amazing eyes to be able to see and focus on such tiny creatures, and yet they can also focus on them flying in the air. You watch these little birds and they're incredibly courageous. They will drive off a currawong, they'll drive off a magpie, they will chase them and land on the back of their neck or head. They build a beautiful, beautiful nest. Highly camouflaged, made of spider webs. Look how delicate those feet and legs are. Anyway, that's Willy Wagtail. I'll say thank you, Willy. Thank you, Willy.